Hello Barbie lovers and beyond, and welcome back to my channel. This is Marina the 90s Barbie, and in this channel we do tons of amazing stuff related to Barbie, so don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Now in today's video, as you can see, I have with me the amazing, the iconic, the legendary Fairytopia Magical Mermaid Barbie, or two of them actually, and it's a very sentimental moment because these are my childhood Fairytopia Magical Mermaids and they mean a lot to me. However, as you can see, poor things have been
through it.
And when I say through it, I mean it. Like the girl right here, she's in better shape, of course, but her tail is completely shattered here because we all know that these, like rubbery tails, although gorgeous, used to break so easily. This girl has actually lost her tail completely, the bottom part, and it's a bit, heartbreaking. She has also lost her arm, unfortunately. I don't know, heat got her, I guess, because as you can see, there is a discrepancy between her skin and face. So today we're going to be attempting to make over these gals, restore them to their original glory, and see them shine together again. As you can also tell, I was a little bit of a brat, so when I destroyed this girl, my parents actually got me a new one because I was so heartbroken. The same thing happened with Mermaid Fantasy Barbie. I got two of them also. Unfortunately, none of them survived, or I would do a makeover for them too. But I have these girlies and I'm very happy. This is the biggest restoration or makeover project I've ever undertaken. So please be lenient with me. I'm not a pro in this. This is going to be an attempt. I want to mend her tail, give this girl a full-on makeover, a new one completely. I'm gonna try my best, and I'm very, 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 very excited to see the results, and actually very looking forward to start with this. So without any further ado, let's get right into this. Okay, so here we are ready to soak them, and here you can see a better look of the damage of her tail. Unfortunately, it's pretty bad. I hope I can fix it. And her hair and everything, as you can see, she's pretty dirty. So into the water she goes. Same for this gal. I have removed her body because I unfortunately think it was unsalvageable. So yeah, this is what I gotta work with. I got my work cut out for me, but I'm very excited. So let's start. my girls are done with their makeover for now. I mean the hairstyling part. We're gonna give them some time, let them chill, dry out, and then we're gonna come back for the biggest part, which is the tail, of course, and her styling. So excited so far with how they've turned out. So yeah, let's see. So it's been a whole day. Her hair seems beautiful. I'm really happy with how that turned out. And now it's time to perform her surgery. Her tail surgery, that is, because I want to try and mend this part as much as I can, of course. Again, this is an attempt. And before I do this, I actually watched a few other tutorials here on YouTube, and what I gathered is that even though you can do this with a standard instant glue, over time that could actually again harden and crack the plastic once more. So basically the best solution would be a flexible glue or a glue that is suited for flexible materials, and I found this one. This is supposed to be 100% durable, but also waterproof and heat proof, but also flexible and suitable for flexible materials. So I'm really excited to try this out. I'm a little nervous, but here we go. So I've put it back on her stand, and I think we're done with the gluing part. You can still see, of course, a little crack right here, but I don't mind it because it actually matches with the design of her tail, which is great. Again, this is not instant glue, so we'll have to wait at least 48 hours for it to fully dry out and cure. So I'm gonna leave her on her stand. I'm very happy with the results so far. Yes, you can see a few cracks, but I don't mind it because the tail is mostly mended at the front and the back. So I'm pretty happy, and I'm just gonna let her dry out. And in the meantime, we can rebody her fabulous sister. So this is the body I have chosen for her. I'm not sure which doll it belongs to, but it's just a standard belly button body, and I'm hoping it will be a great match for her. Oh my wow, it's not just a great match, it's a perfect match. She looks amazing. I cannot believe that. I am really, really, really excited and happy, and I think it's time to move on to styling. I am so happy with this transformation for both of them. Let's go. Okay, oh my wow. I am back I believe their makeovers are officially over, and oh my, wow.
Again?
I know I say this so many times, but I think they look wonderful. I am like beyond excited and happy and pleased with how they turned out. I'm just beyond just that. They look so amazing. These are my childhood Fairytopia Magical Mermaids, both together, both with a brand new look, and I'm just so happy. I think they turned out amazing, especially this girl. I am so happy with how her tail turned out. Again, of course, it's not perfect here, but I mean, look at it. It looks like fine. It looks amazing, and there's no hole, there's no like gap on her tail. So I'm really happy and excited. And of course, I cannot forget this girl. Her look, I mean, not to toot my own horn, but I really love it. It's like Barbie Mermaid Princess meets Barbie Extra, and I am so obsessed. I just love it. I actually used her original top that she had on before. It was awful. I had to wash it. It literally changed color. It looks amazing now. Such a wonderful bright pink that matches the pastels. And yeah, I'm really happy with how they turned out. As I said before, this was very much an attempt, and I'm so happy that this attempt worked out. I actually had to change my camera mid-video because it broke my lens actually. So yeah, this was like a whole journey. So thank you all so much for sticking with me. I hope you love these girls, and I hope it inspires you to treat your childhood dolls to, you know, a little makeover, breathe new life into them. They deserve it. They were with us through the hardest parts and the happiest parts. So yeah, like these two, I love you girls. I love them so much. They look beautiful. So this was a moment. Thank you all so much for watching. I believe that was it for today's video. If you want to see more photos of these two amazing gals, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Instagram right here. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new one. Thank you once more so much for watching. This was like a very happy and emotional video for me, so it really means a lot to have you all with me. So thank you very much, and until next time, do all the things you love, enjoy your dolls, breathe new life into them, and of course, keep a positive attitude because it really does change everything. Peace!